Okay, some of the questions that I've been getting asked is inbox and also on other social networks is about the generator with the gas line. My gas line was 10 feet from the gas line all the way to the generator. And then also I had done my gas line underground, and all my components are on one side of the house, which I've heard from other people that some of their components were on the opposite side of the house or in the back, and they would have to do more of a line connection. Also, the pricing is a question that I've been getting asked about. Okay, so let's talk about pricing. The pricing that I have is a la carte. I did everything. I didn't go through a company that did everything for me. I didn't go through a contractor. Basically, I was my contractor. I'm in the real estate industry. I do a lot of flips and construction and anything that comes with real estate, you name it. So I was like, let me go ahead and just source out all this. Got with my husband and he helped me source out. He was the sourcer. I do have my Generac currently listed below in my Amazon store, and the pricing does change. It has been fluctuating, but at the time when I purchased it, it was $5,800, and that was for the Generac and the switch. Then I also had to purchase a pallet jack, and that was about roughly $75 from Home Depot. So I had the service from a plumber through the gas line, and I did that underground, and that was a 10 feet connection from the gas line to the Generac. That was $13.50. And then I had the electrical services done to connect the Generac to the breaker panel box and to show me how to use the service and everything. That was $1,500. Also, the Generac needed a battery. So you got to use a battery, and I'm going to put that battery here. And you can get it from like your local Walmart or so forth. And that battery was about $129. So that's pretty much roughly all in. I was still under $10,000, and I felt really good about that. And as soon as I got it installed, about 2 weeks, 3 weeks later, that's when Hurricane Beryl came. My neighbors told me that they heard my Generac, and I think you could hear it more so when you don't have power. The functions that did work on the house was everything. My pool worked, my AC system worked, all the components in the house worked throughout the whole time. Now my water heater is on gas and my stove is on gas, so that was automatically natural. But just having the convenience now of the Generac is like a smooth breeze, and was able to invite family over, provide comfort, and was able to have cold beverages, ice, and be able to still provide food and lighting. The only thing that I did look into was internet service, because if internet service is down in the area, then you got to know that if you're going to use your hotspot on your phone, if your phone provides that, or if you're going to get like some mobile hotspot, or just find out what internet services are the best internet services to have during storms and when lines are down and powers are out. And the delivery was very convenient because the delivery service let me know when they were coming, and they also asked where did I want it placed, because it's a heavy system. Okay, so I did the research on the inlet to be installed in the breaker box, and just having a mobile generator that I just drag across over there, put the gas in from the gas station, and go off of that route. But one thing that I am glad that I did not do that is because usually when there is a big storm, power outages, you're going to see the gas stations being really crowded, or them not even having to be able to provide gas because the systems are down, cash acceptance only, or gas only being held for emergency services only, such as police, firefighters, and now the gas is being reserved for people of protection. So I didn't want to go that route, and I decided the best route, and also to have a cleaner function, was to go and connect to the Generac option and connecting into the natural gas line on the house. So that's pretty much all that I have to tell you about the information. If you have more questions, feel free to inbox me or send me a message down below. And thanks for checking out. Thank you guys very much.